So, hello, good evening everyone. So, this is the recording for user guide or installation guide for Manapod. So, Manapod was created as a Commander tournament management system. Actually, it's going to be a more inclusive one. So, we'll still be adding more um, features along the way. Pero inuna kasi namin yung Commander dahil ito yung medyo mas on demand. And marami kasing mga complications on this Commander settings. So kasi ano siya, hindi lang siya 1v1 but rather 4, 1v1, v1, v1, so or 4 in a pod siya. And it presents not just a complication in terms of making the pairings more in a sense fair, but rather an experience overall na parang dapat hindi magkakalaban lagi yung ano. There is one application that is already in available for everyone. I think hindi ko na siya banggitin but meron kasi siyang subscription. And for the longest time, this one was the one that is available that is more useful. Kaya na kasi meron siyang paywall. So, hindi naman din ganun din kamahal din yung paywall niya but after a few months kasi nung ginamit siya, tumaas din yung bayad and eventually um, because of, a lot of things happening, maybe probably tataas pa rin yun. So, we do not want, we want to um, provide at least a help no, dun sa mga local game stores natin, especially dun sa mga bagong lumalabas, sa mga LGS, no. Alam namin na maraming, syempre, this is a business, and there is always a cost. And doing a tournament, no, organizing a tournament is something that is quite costly rin. And kung magsa-subscribe ka pa doon sa mga ganong klaseng mga applications and softwares, magkakaroon siya ng overhead. And sabihin na natin hindi naman din ganun din kalaki ang kita ng mga LGS in terms of these kinds of events and tournaments. Instead of it being given to the to the um, subscription, no? Maganda idagdag na lang siya sa pricing, no? So, meron pa tayo additional price. Kasi nga, syempre, libre yung gagamitin natin. And for a while, meron ding iba gumagamit ng Excel, meron ding iba gumagamit ng other manual things and other applications. But um, we find it quite, um, in a sense, parang inconsistent, parang ganon. Mainly because nagkakaroon talaga ng ng mga paulit-ulit na naglalaban, especially kapag commander, 'di ba? Um, and hindi siya okay na experience sa mga players, no? As we have feedback from them, no. So what we would like is to have an all-inclusive na uh, application kung saan it also addresses that. It addresses the need for the LGS to have at least a free platform to organize their tournaments and have a record by themselves no, ng mga tournaments na yun. Number two is of course to provide um, a more fair or a fairer pairing system no, that will enhance the commander battle experience, gaming experience of mga players, and also to provide a good support of reportings ng way ng mga statistics and every other technical matters na minsan hindi nakakuha ng hindi siya nakaka-capture because of marami nga pang ibang mga. So anyway, so moving forward to from there, no, just an introduction to that. Manapad is actually um, our love letter to the greatest game, greatest card game of all. And it actually took around more than almost a year kasi ngayon na siya natapos. He started it around January to February. And marami rin namang ibang gumagawa din but nito lang nagkaroon ng mga ng extra time and we are able to finish an MVP for it to be released. So yung nauna doon na pinost natin sa it's a link sa LinkedIn, nakalink siya sa LinkedIn kasi so papunta siya sa GitHub ko bale. Um, it's going to be um, continuously be improved. So ito, what I'm gonna be showing you is not the one that is a few days ago. Medyo mas improved na to. And I find it good to be demonstrated kasi na-test run na siya ng isang tournament kahapon. And there's a lot of feedback. We're able to provide or to capture needed improvement on this one. Okay, so without further ado, let's go to the preparation on how you're going to use ManaPod. Okay? Uh, so ang una natin gagawin is we're going to be downloading Examp kasi ito yung magiging uh, natin, web server natin. So Examp is an Apache server, no? Apache server siya, no? Or web server kung saan dito natin i-host. Kung halimbawa gumagamit kayo ng PC, kasi i-ano natin to, no? I-store natin doon sa PC ninyo. It will not be online, no? Hindi to magiging online unless i-ano mo siya i-host mo siya sa cloud, but this one is running on your own computer. Okay, so okay mag-alala kung ma-hack ba or what, or privacy and whatever. This one is intended for LGS and local hosting. So, ibig sabihin, you need to have a PC, you need to have a laptop for this to be So, i-install natin ito sa laptop natin. Okay, so, download nyo lang yung latest version ng Examp for Windows. No? Meron ding Examp for OS X. For those who are using Mac, no? Pwede nyo itong i-download and then just install it. Once you click on this one, download siya, makita nyo lang to, yan. Your download will start automatically. Kapag hindi, click here daw. Ayan, so automatically magda-download na siya. Makita nyo to, ito lang naman yan. So I already downloaded it actually. Earlier, kasi syempre tinitest ko siya. So ito lang naman yung installer niyan. Ayan lang naman siya. Then you just install nyo lang yan. And then lalabas ay ang inyong web server. So ito yung lalabas sa inyo. Magkakaroon kayo ng control panel. So meron na kayong isa lang naman kailangan yung i-on, but medyo nasanay kasi ako na in-on ko parehas yung Apache at saka SQL. So once it is installed, ito yung dapat lumabas, no? Lalabas ng control panel natin. So ibig sabihin nyo naka-install na siya sa inyo. Ipag-install naman yung straightforward, just install it in your drive C. Okay, wala na kayong dapat palitan doon. Just install it on the default. Yan, so start nyo lang to, yung Apache. Yan, ako ini-start ko rin yung MySQL just in case na baka biglang kailanganin ko siya. No, medyo lang siya. Gusto ko lang siyang gawin. For that sake lang. So, ayan. Pag nakita nyo lang naman siya, nag-i-start na siya that detecting. So, wala na kayo ibang gagawin. Iwan nyo lang yan. You can minimize it and then you can go on to the other one. Now, the next one is you get to go to our link sa ating GitHub. No? So, yung link na pin-provide ko, nandun naman siya. And then, it will be going here sa ating ManaPod tournament. Okay. Manager, this one. Yan. So, you just need to download this. This is going to be version 3 na siya kasi yung nauna is version 1. This one is the version 3. Just download the zip file. Okay. Yan. Once you download it, download din lang siya. Yan. Just download it like that. Then, download na ba siya? Ayan. Medyo mabagal lang yung downloading natin. Ayan, once this downloaded, just go to the file. Yan, and then extract it. Yan. Extract all nyo na siya kasi naka-zip siya. Yan. And then, ito yung next important step nyo. So, makita nyo ito na meron siyang, it's under the MVP version 3. No? You just go inside. Ito yung important na folder. So, huwag na kayo pumasok sa folder pa na yan, yung mga yun na yan. You just copy this folder, pod tournament. No, go to your drive C. Sorry. Ito pala yung aking drive C. No, yung drive C. Punta sa drive C. Go look for the exam folder. Ayan, exam folder. So, C and then exam. And then, htdocs. Yan, htdocs. So, punta ka lang sa htdocs. And then, just copy. No, copy nyo lang siya. And then, paste it here. Paste nyo lang siya dyan. Okay? So, naka-paste naman na siya. Ito na yan. So, dapat ito, as it is siya, pod-tournament. Ito pansinin kasi mga versioning ko lang naman yan. No? Just go for here sa pod tournament. Yan. So, dapat hindi siya naka-zip ha. Dapat ito yung folder na nasa loob mismo. So, i-extract nyo siya. Okay? And then, yan. Paint nyo siya dito sa exam. htdocs sa loob. Paste nyo lang siya as pod tournament. Ayan. So, actually, we're ready to use it na. So, paano natin siya magagamit? So, close na natin to. Okay. So, to use that, dahil naka-open na ang ating exam, no? Open yung Apache natin. Okay. So, we can go to our exam. So, just open this another any browser will do, no? So, type nyo ng localhost and then slash yung pangalan ng folder mo doon sa htdocs. So, ang pangalan ng folder natin is again pod tournament. Ayan. So, pod dash tournament. Yan. So, yan lang yung itatype ninyo ha. So, there will be times na parang ilalagay yung host, colon, 8888 kung gumagamit kayo ng MAMP. But if you're using exam, it's straightforward, localhost, pod tournament. Okay, lalabas to, itong directory natin na to. So, kayo matakot dyan. You just go to public. Click on public, lalabas to. Itong login natin. Okay. Yan. So, pag lumabas na yan, wala kang problema. Ibig sabihin na-install mo siya na maayos. Okay, lalakihan ko lang ng konti para makita natin. Yan. Okay? So, yan. Yung pod tournament. So, lalabas na yan. Now, ilang parts lang dyan. Again, ito yung footer natin. Kasi, syempre, this is still a, ano pa rin naman siya, creation pa rin natin siya. And we're giving everyone the rights na to use it lang naman, no? So hindi nyo siya pwedeng i-distribute. You can use it all you want. If you're an LGS, you would like to use it, please go ahead. Pero if there will be changes that you would like to magkaroon kayo na parang custom na or improvement, you just email me lang. Okay, ito yung email address ko dyan. Alright? Yan. So, if meron kayo suggestion, kagaya dun sa isang nag-comment, last time meron siyang tinatanong about encryption. So, we're already, putting it on the queue na. For now, kasi di pa naman natin kailangan encryption dahil local pa lang naman siya. Okay? So, locally hosted pa lang siya. So, yan. Okay, so local hosted, okay na tayo. Now, how are we going to use this? So, by default, meron tayong admin at example.com na username at ang password niya is admin123. Okay, I'll be putting that detail dito pala sa ating manapad. Nakalimutan ko siyang ilagay. Pagpasensyahan nyo nila, marami tayong nakalimutan. But yeah, it's admin@example.com and then admin123. Okay, admin, just a small letter, admin, ADMIN, 123. And then click on login. Yan. So, okay lang yan. Lalabas na to. So, ito lang yung ilang mga parts. I'll be expanding this one to like this. So, meron na tayong, itong version na to, meron siyang, kasi nagte-testing ako. So, you can actually delete it later on, no? Or, deactivate it. Pero ito yung pinaka-dashboard natin. Okay, you can click on this one. Makita nyo kasi ni example. Later on, kasi maglalagay tayo ng mga users na pwedeng mag-access dito. Siguro kung hindi ka admin or you are several, and you would like to run this na may mga iba-ibang taong gumagamit, we will be putting a user, credentials later on. So, ikaw for now, admin lang muna. Okay, so meron tayong ilang part, mga dashboard, which is this one, yung pinaka-default, admin dashboard, users, players, games, deck types, and then the about. Balik muna tayo sa about. Punta muna tayo sa about kasi ito yung hindi binabasa, hindi na natin ito babalikan later on. So, click nyo na yung about, just click on readme. Ayan. So, andito lang naman yung mga instructions lang natin, yung mga important. Again, so if you find this helpful and you would like to buy me a coffee, please do so. Malaking tulong. And if you have more details for donations or improvements you would like to suggest, you would like to contact me about it, ito lang email address ko. Please do so. Huwag kayo magkatakot sa akin, reach out. And then, this is my dedication. This is a very important one. This is a love letter from again. And then the license. Again, you're free to use it, no, whenever you want, whenever you want. But making changes, syempre, you need to tell me and you cannot distribute it. Ibig sabihin distribute, hindi ka pwedeng i-host mo siya, tapos papagamit mo sa ibang LGS, tapos, making money out of it. Tinatanggal nga natin yun. We would like to, alleviate that. So, yan, then go to Manapod na tayo. So, you'd like to go back to the dashboard, just click on the Manapod now. This one, okay? Yan. So, okay tayo. Yung gumagana na, ibig sabihin. So, punta mo tayo sa dashboard. Ano ito mga parts na to? So, this is the admin dashboard. We are totally having total 26 players kasi meron ako dummy players na nilagay dito so that you can test it out. And then, this one is the games panel or the games card. Nandito yung mga active games na mga na-testing natin. Later on, you can remove them there. Dito rin tayo makikreate ng bagong game. The game stats. Ito yung stats ng lahat ng mga games na nagawa mo. If you are the admin and you're gonna be using it for a very long time, no, yung games mo dito, stats na ginagawa mo for the application, is going to be aggregated here. Yan. Okay? So, punta muna tayo sa mga users. Before we create the game, isa-isahin ko lang yung mga parts natin. And then, let's go to the users. The users management panel is where we can create, no, yung mga users natin. So, we can create a user. Currently, no, ang user ko lang na kailangan natin is the email, which is it will be their ID. It doesn't have to be the real email. Basta may @blank.com lang siya na makita. It will consider that. Doesn't have to be a real email. And then, name. Yan. And then, role. Usually, player admin lang naman. So, madadagdagan pa to. Pero usually, syempre, i-add mo lang naman is player lang muna. And then, password. Password 123. Kasi, meron kasing later, papakita ko sa inyo na isang cool na feature, pero hindi pa naman siya madedeploy agad. Pero if you would like to test it, please go ahead. Na kung saan yung players can see the updates in their phones. Yan. Just access lang nila. Pero, local access pa rin siya. Yan. So, once you created, lalabas na yan dito. So, ito lang yung mga nagawa natin ng mga example players. No? So, ako si admin. And then, if you would like to, to disable a player, ayan. So, disable mo lang siya. Bawat isa meron naman siya. So, if you would like to make changes, just click on save. Yan. So, if you would like to disable a player, disable mo lang siya or reset their password. Yan. So, very straightforward naman to gamitin. Okay. So, actually, naman to? Meron naman kayo pang upload eh. This one is for all the management. So, what if you would like to upload na lang? So, meron ka ng list. Kunyari, nagpag-Google Sheet ka and then you have this CSV na and you would like to upload it here. Pwede naman. Okay, so, tapos tayo sa users, you can go to the players. So, kunyari, ganun na nangyari. Meron ka ng Google Sheet, tapos you have them signed there. Nandun lahat ng mga detalye and you would like to upload it here. Ayan, auto-upload it here. So, gagawin mo lang, ang gagawin mo lang dito is to upload. Download nyo muna yung, you can download the CSV guide if you would like to. Ayan. Ayan, ito lang naman siya. So, kung ano lang yung kailangan gawin, CSV guide, or you can go the template na. Ayan. So, the template is, ayan. Straightforward lang naman siya, isang email, tapos yung name. So, sir, paano pagka may kami, first name, last name namin? Wala namang problema, merge nyo na lang yun. And then, isa lang na mga syntax box na kailangan. So, just copy and paste it here, no? Copy and paste it here. Basta kailangan ng email at saka name. Later on, syempre madadagdagan to dahil maglalagay din tayo ng kung gusto na natin paghiwalayin. No? We would like to make it a little bit robust. No? Pero for now, ito lang muna. And again, local hosting pa lang naman to. Yan. And then, pag na-save mo na yan, you just click on choose file. And then, syempre, kung saan mo siya sinave, yung CSV mo na yun. Okay? So, di ko na ito mapakita kasi dapat medyo alam natin to. Usually, nasa downloads lang naman siya. Yan, kunyari, template. Just click on open and then import CSV. lalabas na siya dito. So, gawa tayo ng example para cool. Ayan. So, ayan. So, kunyari, ang pangalan ng player natin is, kunyari, huwag na si player. Player 1 pa ba ito? O, sige, si player 1 at saka si player 2. Player 1, player 2, at example.com. Ayan. Yan, yung dalawa na lang muna ang gawin natin. Just for the sake of example lang. So, player 1 at saka player 2. Yan. Save nyo lang siya, CSV ha. Yan. And then, close it up. And then, choose file. Punta ka sa kung saan mo sinave yun. So, nasa ano naman siya. Nasa downloads natin siya. Ito siya, no? Yan. Ito yung PowerPoint 1. Yan. So, yan siya. And then, import CSV. Ay, wala. Ulit. Yan. Import CSV. So, lalabas dito, imported 2 files or 2 items. Ibig sabihin kasi dalawa in-enter natin doon. So, kung 10 yung nilagay mong player, dapat 10 syempre lalabas yan. Okay. So, imported 2. Eh, si player 1 at saka si player 2. Yan. So, meron ka na dyan. Okay. I think this one is good na. Yan. Once it is here, it will be uploaded as a player. Available siya later on pagka gumawa ka ng game. Okay. So, good na tayo dito sa ating mga players. So, you can just upload it like that. Okay. Now, let's go to creating the games na. So, you can actually create a game in this one. So, create game here or here. Parehas na naman siya. Okay. So, dito lang mas may control ka lang dito kasi this is the games view. You know, this is the dashboard lang. So, gumawa na mabilis sa games. Okay. So, may shortcut lang naman yun. So, dito muna tayo sa games view. I'd like to show it to you. Sa games view, you can actually create a game here. So, ayan. Ito yung mga available games na nagawa na natin. No? If it is ended, ibig sabihin completed yan. Ibig sabihin natapos yan. Kasi mga testing mga yan. So, pag na-test na natin siya yan, tinatapos natin yung game. Okay? You can deactivate it or delete it. Once it is deleted, wala na yun. Okay? Deactivate will be, ano naman siya, remove sa active na ano natin. So, pag gagawa tayo ng game, we would like to create a game, a new game, pwede tayong maglagay ng name ng game, or just leave it blank. Pag nag-leave it blank ka niyan, ganito maging itsura ng naming convention mo. The game, the year, no, the month, and then the day that it was created, and then the time. Kumbaga time stamp yung lalabas. Okay? And then, if you would like to, let's say, for example, sample game for demo. Yan. So, we can, now, you can select already players here. Kung meron ka na player list dito, kung meron ka na ano. Okay, if you would like to add players here, like do that. Pero lalagyan ko pa, mag-improve ba naman yan? Now, we can put a checklist here instead of this list lang na ganyan. Pero, again, you can put it here. So, lagay natin si player 1 at si player 2. Okay, everyone, if you would like to add everyone. And create game. Yan, when this is created, yung mga naiwan, no, pwede mo pa naman siyang i-add later on. Okay, you can add more players. Pero, yung mga nadagdag mo, if you're gonna be scrolling it down, it's here na. Yan, okay? Yan, so nakita na siya dito. So, gawin lang natin to. So, it is already here. Once it is created, lalabas yung sample game for demo. Yung mga details niya. No? It is completed. So, hindi pa naman siya completed kasi pag completed, ibig sabihin natapos mo na yung game. No? Ayan, number of players. Meron kang 25. Wala pa tayong rounds. Hindi pa naman tayo gumagawa ng rounds. No? So, next is the add players. Kung meron ka pang gustong i-add or kung kanina, you just created the game, hindi ka nag-add ng player, you would like to add it here. You can add it here. Okay. Ayan. So, pagagandahin pa natin yung GUI nito in the coming version. So, naka-checkmark naman na yan. Okay, and then, this one, yung display background, later on, papakita ko siya kung paano natin gagamitin. At naglagay na rin ako ng sponsor banner. If your tournament will have sponsors, no? Kunyari, mag-sponsor niyo yung mga companies or yung mga magdo-donate sa inyo ng mga tao or whoever, you would like to thank them in the display kasi meron tong ginawa akong display for the large screens, no, so you can do it there. So later on naman yan, balikan natin yan. Now, ito yung importante kasi yung creating a new round. Now, when you create a new round, this one is the round, yung round talaga. And we have several pairing modes here. Ibig sabihin, pwede kang pumili kung paano mo aayusin yung pairings ng mga players mo. Kasi dito siya yung mga players mo. Yan. And this is Commander multiplayer in mind. So, apat yung maximum number ng players sa table. Okay, so yun yung target natin. Gusto natin gawin. Okay? And, uh, itong mga to, you can actually uh, choose whatever you would like to. So, if this is like this, no, meron kang player 1, simula pa lang naman, you can go for, wala pa naman ranking, although i-rank niya yan by alphabetical pa rin naman siya. No, kasi yun yung order niya. Usually, ang ginagawa is random. Avoid repeat. So, if this is your first round, yan. Pero pwede ka naman pumili if you would like. No? Um, dapat sir, dapat, di ba, baka may magtanong sa inyo, dapat sir, dapat automatic random na yung, yung first round. Meron kasing iba, gusto nila, alphabetical. No? Like this one, alphabetical niya yan. So, dito mapakita ko sa inyo. Yung iba naman gusto nila random. Yung iba naman gusto nila dire-diretso lang, gusto nila naka-Swiss pad na agad. No? Yeah. Kumbaga nakandyan na lang yan, Swiss pad na lang siya. So, yun yung rationale dyan. We would like to accommodate them kasi wala namang problema if we would like to. So, having more selection on doing so provides more flexibility naman. Yan. So, click na lang muna natin yung random. Okay, yan. Random. And remember yung pag-repeat ng mga minsan impossible siya. Yung, kumaga, nagkalaban na kayo kanina, no? Tapos nagkalaban na naman kayo sa isang pad. Minsan impossible siya kung isipin. Pero meron naman tayong mga ginagawang way to minimize that. Okay? Now, let's create the round. Okay? So, wala pa tayong kini-create na round. Ayan. Create round. Yan. So, this one is the round version or the round view. Yan. So, this one is the first round. Once you created the round in the game view, yan, lalabas na tong first round. Yan. So, pwede pa natin lagyan ng indicator yun, tapos pasok mo lang tayo doon. Okay? We will be moving on the GUI. Pero, so far, ito pala yung kinaya ng oras natin. Pin-prioritize ko kasi yung mga kailangan natin gawin. Yan. So, okay na tayo dito. So, the pairing tools, nandito pa rin siya. If you would like, if hindi ka happy dito sa pods, no? Punta ka lang dito sa may pods sa baba. Yan, around one piece pods. Kung hindi ka happy dyan, you can do shuffling pa. Punta ka lang dito sa taas na random. Ayan. You can click on repair pods, no? So, you can do that, repair. Ayan. So, magre-repair naman siya. Sabihin nun, yung kaninang pairing, sexy, Tessa or whoever this is, maglilipat-lipat talaga sila. Okay? Yan. So, tingnan natin, no? So, ito currently si Wade, Tessa, tsaka si Nate and Liam ang nasa table 1. Dave, Paul, and Sam Frank ang nasa table 2. So, if we would like to repair them, gagawin natin siyang repair. Yan. So, nag-iba na siya. Yan. So, nag-iba siya. Okay? Ga-randomize siya. Okay, sir, bakit yung iba, may tatlo lang sila sa pod? Since, siya, ba't iba yung tatlo sa pod, yung iba lang? We use the computation kung saan dapat, as much as possible, tatlo yung nasa pod. Okay, 3 or more. If divisible by 4, kung ano yung remainder, meron tayong mga ginawang mga kung ano yung gagawin niya. So, tigta-tatlo kasi, pag nilipat mo tong dalawa dito, 4 nga to, pero ito dalawa naman, tapos ito tatlo. So, very uneven yung distribution. So, it has the capacity na to do this, no? Hindi nyo na kailangan problemahin yun. Depende sa number ng players ninyo. Okay? So, siya nang bahala maghati dyan. Yan. Okay? So, makita nyo, no? Ready na to. If you're happy with this one, or, halimbawa, gusto mong ilipat si Ivy, no? With Wade or whoever in the other tables, no, pwede mong iswap. So, the manual player swap is actually used if you see na sila ulit yung magkalaban or, gusto na, kailangan ilipat si ganito kasi ganyan, or whatever. For whatever reason that may be, we're providing you with the manual player swap. Ngayon, may ibang mga players ako nakausap na, ala, baka samantalahin yan ng organizer. Well, we need a tool like this eh. So, it's up to them kung paano nila gagamitin to. No? So, hopefully, maayos nilang gamitin yun. But, kailangan talaga meron ganito. So, let's say for example, si Ivy at saka si Wade ang pagpapalitin natin. Swap players. Yan. Nakita natin na nagpalit na si Ivy. Kanina nandito siya at si Wade ay nandito na. Yan. Okay? Nagpalit na sila. And then, ang maganda dito is that whatever you do, punta ka sa pinakailalim, pakita ko lang sa inyo, no? Meron tayo audit logs. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga ginagawa mo over the round will be audited or meron siyang logs na ginagawa. Okay, so if may mga protest or meron mga um, problema na kayo nakita, so yung kagaya yung pag-swap, no, yan, pwede nyo makita yan dito. Yan. Okay, and then, so good na tayo dyan. Once you're good with the pairings, no, ay mga pairings na natin, good na tayo dito sa mga pairings natin, is that we can lock the pairings. Once it is locked, okay, ibig sabihin ng lock ng pairings, hindi ka na pwede mag-swap, hindi na pwede magpalit yung table. Okay, organizers, no, please make sure that once you lock the pairings, wala nang problema, wala nang maglilipatan. Kasi once it is locked, like this one, hindi na kayo pwedeng gumalaw. You can actually already print na the pairings. Ibig sabihin, you can print it out. Okay, you can click on this one. Ayan, may printed ka na ng pairings na pwede mong i-post or i-paste or i-print. No? Ayan, tsaka yung logs. Magpiprint din siya ng logs. Okay? And then, nakalock na siya. Ibig sabihin, nalock mo na yung pairings. Okay, yan. Okay, so once it is locked, magana na yan. Ibig sabihin, you focus na on the pods itself. Okay, the pods itself are divided into several tables. Okay, ayan na siya. Kita nyo naman. No? So, same ng pag-ayos ng commanders. No? So, nasa table na siya. Kayo na bahala if you would like to. Ngayon, if you would like to have a big screen, no, meron kang big screen kunyari, or secondary screen, punta ka lang dito sa baba muna na round timer. No? Later on, lilipat kasi yan. Click mo lang yung open display. Yan. Maglalabas siya ng isa pang web page. Yan. Na isa pang web app. Ganyan natin ganyan. Kung saan, ito yung pwede mong i-display sa secondary screen mo. So, kung meron ka secondary screen, you can put it like that. Yan. Full screen mo na lang. Okay. So, kung ano yung mga yan, dito na lang natin na sa gilid. Okay. Now, if you would like to show the pads on the display, click on show pads on display. Ayan. So, lalabas na dito yung mga pads. And then their status. Pending, ibig sabihin, inaayos mo pa. Okay, nag-aayos ka pa dyan. Or, ayan. Nag-aayos ka pa. Ibig sabihin, naghihintay pa yan ng score. Okay, later on is score. Now, the next thing is what you can do is to put a timer. So, if meron kang timer, you can just click on this one, no? Input, kunyari lang naman, 70 minutes or 120 or whatever. Basta 8 minutes to ha. Yan. And then click on set time. If wala kayong isi-set, no, gusto nyo magtuloy lang ng game and everything, you can commence on the game sa and put it whatever. Okay, wala naman siyang limitation na ano. So, yan. Ganun lang naman yan. Pero kung gusto mong may timer, click on set time. Yan. Nakalock na yung time pag nakaset na siya. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nun, ready na yung timer natin. Okay? Once you start with the timer, ilipat yung round timer natin sa taas. Yan. Magsisimula na siya dito. Okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin yan, ready na tayo. Okay? Good. Hopefully good and everything. So, ito na yung nasa second natin. Okay? Ito yung secondary screen natin. So, lakihan lang muna natin. Mamaya babalikan natin yung secondary screen. Now, once the timer is already set, no, hindi naman to parang timer lang talaga siya. Wala naman siyang gagawin pag gusto mag-pass. Kukomputin lang niya na kung ilan yung overtime mo na lumagpass. Okay? So, punta na tayo dito ngayon sa round. Ngayon, dito sa round, we can put in score of 0 to 4, no? So, 4 kung panalo. 1, 1, or 3. So, depende kung paano yung score system ninyo. Hindi siya pwedeng lahat 4. Although, may nagtanong, baka pwedeng tanggalin daw yung yung limiter na ganyan. Pero for now, kasi ganyan muna eh. Walang, parang isa lang yung pwedeng manalo. Parang isa lang yung makaka-4. Tapos, uh, the others are depending player kill or whatever, parang ganun lang. No? Pero, again, um, we will put another mode na walang limit yung pag-score. Okay? Pero for now, ninigyan ko na lang muna just to lang. Kasi maglalagay pa tayo ng game mode later on. So, pero for now, ito lang muna. Okay, so 4, 1, 1, 3, so 4, kunyari 0, 0, 2. Ayan. Okay, so bakit nyo nag-import ako ng score dito? No? So, pag nag-input kayo ng score and gusto niyo pa siyang balikan later on, click on save. Hindi naman yung ilalock yan eh. So, once you click on save, ayan. So, meron na siya dito. Problema, nung nag-input ka dito, nabubura din siya. So, yung pag-save kasi niya locally for lang, for that card lang, for this table lang. Hindi niya to isi-save, kahit meron siyang naman. So, if you would like to balikan or later on, so, mo lang siya. Save mo lang siya. Wala namang limit yung number times ng pag-save. Basta hindi mo pa siya ilalock ha. Ayan. So, once it is saved, ayan. May anchor naman siya. So, pupunta na siya dito. Ayan. Save not lock, lalabas naman sa kanya. Okay? So, dito rin, halimbawa, punuin lang natin yung numbers. 4, 2. Ayan. So, sir, paano pagka nilagay ko 4 na 4? Ayan. So, maglalagay siya ng error kasi hindi ka pwede mag-exit ng, yun nga yung sinasabi ko kanina, hindi kayo pwedeng maglagay ng score na more than 9. So, hindi to pwede for 3, 3, 3. So, kasi nga kailangan hindi ko exit ng 9. Okay, so, 4, 3, 1, 1. Ayan. Or 4, 3, 2, 1. Kunyari, 4, 3, 2, 1 dinagay mo. So, hindi pa rin kasi 9 pa rin siya. Pero, maglalagay tayo ng mode later on na wala na to. Okay, wala tong ganito. Pwede nyo piliin. So, ito meron lang kasi siyang. Kasi to based to doon sa mga nauna natin. So, pagka nag-error, sir, nag-error pa rin. Input mo lang ulit. Ayan. Kasi JavaScript to. Okay, so, 1, 1, 4. Okay, so pwede namang walang manalo. So, kunyari, 1, 1, 3. Kunyari, ganyan. For example lang yan, ha? Okay. Kunyari, 1, 1, 1. Walang nanalo sa kanila. Yan. Pero, if it is saved pa lang naman, no, ibig sabihin, nagkamali, uy, si pala dapat ang nanalo, si Jack, dapat 4 siya. O, yan, ipalitan mo lang 4, save mo lang ulit. Okay? Again, lahat ng mga ginagawa ninyo na pagbabago ay nandito. Sabihin, nagsisave kayo ng ganyan. Okay? Yan. Okay, nakikita yung mga logs natin. Although, simple lang naman yung mga logs. Ayan, so yan. And then this one, kunyari, sabi niya, ay 2 din pala si Nate. Ayan, so. Now, if you're ready na, kunyari, tapos na kayo and everything else has been recorded, tapos na-confirm mo na rin sa mga users, ang mga, mga players mo na good na yung mga scores sila na yung nanalo, you can lock the scores permanently. Okay, once it is locked, hindi mo na siya pwedeng galawin kasi lock na yon. Okay? Mag-highlight kung sino lang yung pinakamataas na score for that pod. Okay? Tapos, ayan. Same thing, makikita rin doon sa game screen mo, doon sa secondary screen mo na completed na yung table na yun. Ibig sabihin, nag-confirm na, ibig sabihin, tapos na. Ayan. Game done na siya kasi nag-save na kayo ng mga, ng mga scores na natin kanina. Ayan. So, pag nag-save na, lalabas na game done. Okay. Kapag nag-lock ka na, ibig sabihin, na-confirm na. Ibig sabihin, yun na yun. Okay. Lock na natin yung iba. Ayan. Lalabas ito, confirm. Tapos may panalo na. Ayan. Tapos, lock natin. Ayan. Sir, pwede bang lock all sabay-sabay? Hindi ko na siya nilagay dahil mas magkakaproblema pag nilagyan ko siya ng lock all. Ay, dapat pala si pad table ganito. Dapat ganyan. Mas malaki yung problema. Yung risk, yung magiging problem yung pag nilagyan natin siya ng lock all permanently. So, isa-isahin nyo na lang pagka ganun. Eh sir, paano pag madami? Maglalagay tayo ng limiter na pag halimbawa lumagpas ng 10 table, edi first 10, maglalak siya. Maglalagay tayo ng ganun. Okay. For now, kailangan isa-isahin kasi we need to do our due diligence din. Okay? Ayan. So, good na yan. Pag nalock na lahat yan, actually, mapapansin niyo na yung timer nag-stop na siya. Okay? Kasi lahat ng table na-confirm na. Okay? But, okay, once it is stopped, mag-i-stop na rin yung timer, kasi ano na yan, you have to confirm pa rin sa baba, okay, that you have completed the round. Okay? Once you have completed the round, ibig sabihin, wala ka nang ibang gagawin, no? Good na lahat yan. No? You can actually print it if you would like to. Ay, wala pa pala dito yung printing, nasa baba pa pala. Sorry. Ayan. So, complete na yung round. Ibig sabihin lang nito, sinasabi mo doon sa system na, okay, na-check ko na lahat. Okay, wala na ako ibang babaguhin. Although wala ka naman na mababago dahil nakalock naman na lahat. No, this is just due diligence lang na, ayan. So, ayaw naman natin ng pagka click natin, in-assume na agad na nagtapos na agad yung round. Okay. So, we would like to have a button for that. Now, meron tayong makita dito, lumabas yung print round report. Lalabas lang siya, pag na-complete na yung round. You can click on that. Okay, lalabas lahat ng mga report natin. No, yung mga standing. Ayan, so lalabas yan. Now, this one must also be showing. Ibig sabihin round completed. Okay? So, ito na yung mga scores. May iba, ayaw ipakita yung score. No? You can hide it naman. Ayan, show this result on display. Ayan, or hide it. You can hide it naman. Nag-hide ba siya? Paano siya nag-hide eh? Sige, I'll work on this part na to. Ayan. Pero dapat to nag-hide to. Ayan. Anyways, sige. Babalikan natin yan. Pero for now, yan. Ano yan na lang muna. Okay? Now, next. How gonna be happening? So, pagka one round lang kayo, you can actually click on finalize round na. Okay, once it is finalized, yung rounds niyo, kung one round lang naman kayo maglalaro, you can click on finalize round and it will complete the game. Okay? It will complete the game. Pero, if you would like to proceed with the next round, which is what we're gonna be doing, click on the next round, proceed. Ayan. So, gagawa siya ng bagong round ulit. Okay? This is round 2. Ayan. Ito siya sa game view. So, again, if you would like to do Swiss pods, no? May natin Swiss pods. Ayan. Or you would like to random pa rin, wala namang problema, please go ahead, create round. Ayan. Once you created the round, ayan. Parang inulitan natin yung steps natin kanina. Okay, this time, ayan. Naka-Swiss pod na siya. So, kung titingnan natin, ayan. Kung sino yung mga nasa mga top 4, sila yung mga magkakalaban. No? If you would like to, ayan. Ayan. So, naka-ano lang, naka-distribute in as it is. Okay. Ayan. So, ito, may nakita ka dito, may nag-repeat na player, kunyari, si Vera at saka si player 2. No? If you would like to, to swap them, please go ahead. Okay, pero yung iba parang since bottom naman daw sila, pwede mo lang iwan na lang muna dyan as it is. No. Pero if you would like to give them a good experience, lipat mo siya. Lipat mo lang yung isa sa kanila. Okay? So try natin yun. Lipat natin si Umar at saka si Hank. Si Umar at saka si Hank. So si player 2. Ano ba? Sino ulit yung parehas? Vera and player 2. So sige, si Vera na lang ilipat natin. Si Vera at saka si, kunyari, si Frank. Ayan, sample lang naman. Ayan. So, lalabas na yun. So, wala ka na nag-repeat. Ibig sabihin, sure ka na lahat ng mga yan, hindi yan nagkalaban kanina. Ayan. Okay, so you can do that. Okay, switch it. Pwede mo naman i-switch na kahit na ilang beses. Kasi, ayan, meron naman siya dito. Okay, lalabas at lalabas naman yun dito yung ating audit logs. So, ayan. So kung aabusuhin yan, nakalog siya. Makikita nyo sa player. Diba? O, yan. So, may deterrent na ngayon. So, sir, paano to? Ano, pwede ka na i-close yan. Pwede ka naman gumawa ng bagong display ulit. Okay? So, yan. So, okay na tayo sa pairings. Lock na natin siya. Na-demonstrate na rin natin yung swap layers. Yan. Yan. Kahit pa rin on the pairings na. So, yan na siya. Meron ka na rin bagong players. And if you would like to show it, again, open mo ulit yung display to create a new one. No? Round, it's waiting for the round to start kasi hindi mo pa na hindi mo pa na ay, ano ba nangyari? Ba't yun? Yan, waiting for round to start. Yan. So, tingnan natin to. Nangyari, 50 minutes. 70 minutes start time. Okay. Why is my pod not showing? Okay, tingnan natin to. Show pods on display. Kaya natin ito na-click. Ayan. So, lalabas na siya dito. Okay, good. Okay, now, after this one, no, pagka nalagay na natin, punuan lang din natin ng score ulit. No? So, 4, 1, 1, 1. Ganun lang natin ganyan na. Ay, sipa lang muna natin, sorry. Diba ako, di ako nakakalimutan ko. 1, 3, 4. 1, 1, 4, 2. 4, 2, 1, 1. Again, yung scoring, pwede natin itong palitan later. Magdadagdag tayo ng isa pang game mode na walang limit sa scoring. Pwede natin i-lift yung yung scores. Kasi merong mga ganong mga games eh. Diba? Pero for now, ito muna. Magagabas tayo ng another version na gano'n. So, once it is locked, once it is saved, nalabas na yung mga panalo dito. Ayan. Gawin natin na start yung timer. So, okay. Although, yeah, you can naman, proceed with not starting the timer naman. Kasi it's a timer naman eh. Yan. Once it is yan, okay na tayo dyan. Pwede natin siyang i-lock. Okay, na-lock na natin siya. So, lock pods. Lock pods. So, may kanina, pwede bang lagyan ng lock pod? Are you sure? Of course, pwede tayo may lagay na are you sure sa pag-lock ng pods. Just in case na Okay, sa susunod na version, nakalista naman lahat na yan. Okay, ayan. So, yan. Yan. Once it is completed, okay, so mag-i-stop na yung time natin dahil kompleto na lahat, nag-confirm na lahat again. No? We can say that this is a complete game already. Complete round. Okay. Ayan. So, lalabas na ulit yung current scoring. Diba? So, yan. Okay, good na tayo dyan. And then, okay, can print the reports already. Yan. Ito pang mga admin naman to. So, if you would like to post it, may mga nagre-request lang din kasi ng mga ganyan. So, nilalabas ko na rin yung audit para lang, meron lang din siyang pwede bang walang audit? So, part kasi siya na maging security natin for that matter. Pero yan, you can click on the print the audit naman by itself. Pero dun sa kasi, pag print ng report, dapat talaga kasi you can not print it naman if you would like to. No. Basta nakasama siya sa yung audit niya. Okay. Yan. So, good na tayo dito. Ayan. Okay. So, next natin gagawin is we would like to create another round na lang. No? Kung dalawang round lang kayo, di good. So, gagawin lang natin siyang 3 round para lang. Kasi usually 3 rounds eh, diba? So, we can click on proceed. It's completed na siya. Ayan. So, ayan. Complete round. So, Pwede ka pa rin mag-create kung wala ka pa nang pinipili. So let's say for example, pinipili mo pa rin is Swiss pods pa rin or true Swiss or whatever. You can put on highest, bubugbugin siya ng gusto yung bumawi, yung iba. So pwede naman. So ayan. Or random bubble pods ulit. Ayan, hindi natin gawin ganyan. Create tayo ng round. Random pods tayo ulit. Ayan natin. Ayan, so meron na na-detect si Queen and Ivy. Kalaro na sila kanina. Okay. Si Tessa and Jack. Kalaro na kanina. Ayan, so pwede natin pagpalitin. Okay. Si Queen at saka si Jack. Si Queen at si Jack. Pwede natin silang pagpalitin. Ayan, so wala nang... Oh, si Queen naman tsaka si Zina. Oh, lipat natin si Zina sa... Kunyari with player 2. Kayo nang bahala dun sa part na yan. Ayan, player 2. Or if you would like to, pwede nyo naman iwan na lang. Sila lang naman yung parehas. Ayan. Or you can use the auto swap. No. Ayan, pwede yung auto swap to reduce repeats. So, if you would like to, pwede nyo na pagpalit-palitan. Nahanap siya ng most probable na hindi parehas. So, ayan. Ayan. So, if this is good na for you, good na tayo sa pods na yan. You can click on lock pairings. Ayan. So, once it is lock, okay. Click on natin ito. Wala tayo ulit ng bago. Ayan. Print pairings. Kasi yung printed na pairings natin with our audit logs. And then, you can go down. Set the timer to 70. Set timer. Okay. Start the timer. Kung mapapansin nyo, mag-start na yung timer, pupunta na siya sa taas na round. Okay. So that, habang binababa nyo, iniiwan nyo na yung kumbaga yung part na taas. So you can open display. So if you would like to show the pods there. Ayan. So bahala na kayo sa order kung gusto nyo show mo na yung pods. Okay. Kasi nito siya second screen siya. I can also put a button dito na lang. When it is lock, show pods on screen. Pwede rin naman ganun. Okay. So pwede naman ganyan yun. Ayan. Ayan. So good na tayo dito. Okay. Ayan. So lagyan lang natin siya ng score. 4-1-1. Ay, shocks, hindi ko pala nasa-save. 1-1-4. 4-3-1. Just be careful with that. Kasi pagka nag-save siya, kanta nyo nawawala na rin lahat ng 2-4. 4-1-1. 1-1-4. Then 4-1-1. Okay? So makita nyo, na-save na lahat. Pinapakita ko lang lagi audit log so that you can check na nangyayari nga. So na-save mo na lahat. No? So you can check on this and then you can lock the pods na if you would like to. So ano ba sa dito, game done na sila. Okay. Lock pods. Okay. Lock pods. Lock pods. Lagi tayo na, are you sure you would like to lock this pod? Okay, and then you can go here. No, you can complete the round. You would like to na. So good na tayo dito, huminto na lahat. Then complete the round so that good na tayo. Round completed. Ayan. And then, if you would like to proceed with another round, kunyari gusto nyo 4 rounds kami, gusto namin 4 rounds. Hindi go, kahit 10 round pa gusto nyo gawin. No, you can proceed on creating more and more rounds. Bahala ka na. But, if you would like to stop na on the third round, no, you can click on finalize results. Yan. So, it will end the game. No? You cannot open it later. Okay. Ibig sabihin, no, wala ka na pwedeng baguhin. Although, wala ka naman na pwedeng baguhin talaga. No? Ibig sabihin, hindi ka na pwedeng magdagdag ng rounds eventually. Kasi finalize na yung result. Again, please do your due diligence dahil wala tong, ay, babalik, ay, titignan namin. Wala nang ganun to. Okay? So, click on finalize results. Ayan. So, once na finalize results are in, lalabas na kay open, secondary screen mo na congratulations. Lalabas na yung pinaka details. Naka-highlight ang top 8. I think dapat i-highlight din ang top 4 dahil may top 4 din sila. Pero usually top 8 to yung kinukuha. No? Yan. So, usually ganyan lang naman. Later on, pwede tayo maglagay kung anong top ba yung gusto mong i-highlight. Mag-a-add tayo ng ganun. Okay, so ito na yung mga rankings. Again, meron tayong mga computations na hiningi ng ating mga users, ng ating mga beta testers. So, kung ano yung mga kailangan nila. So, ayan. Win rates, OGP. So, pang tiebreaker daw to kasi. Sinasabi nila kung halimbawa merong para sila kagaya nito, para sila naka 9. Ayan. So, mas mataas si Zoe dahil sa OWP or win percentage niya, overall win percentage. Ibig sabihin mas madalas na nanalo si Zoe or mas maraming beses nanalo si Zoe kaysa kay Wade. Okay. So, yan na siya. Meron tayong top 20 here. Okay, naka-highlight yung top 8. And then, although dito sa ranking, makikita mo rin naman. Nagpagawa lang sila ng top 20 para daw naka-highlight. Okay. And then, alphabetical standing. Lalagay din ako dito ng aside from the PDF report to be imported to CSV para pwede nyo siyang gawing kunyari. If you would like to do some statistics on that, you can do so. Ayan, and then pod records, ibig sabihin lang nito is kung ano yung nangyari sa mga pods. No? Makikita nyo, mare-review nyo dito. Kung sino yung mga magkakalaban. Okay, for each pod. So, kung sino yung mga kalaban naman sa table, yun lang naman yun. Okay. I think I have to remove the opponents na. Kasi nasa isang table lang naman sila. No. Pero, still, hindi natin alisin yan. Okay. And then, for the game stats, ayan. So, meron ka ng game stats. Ano yung mga nangyari sa game statistical descriptions. Yan yung ano natin, averages. And then, win rate distributions. Yung nagtanong kasi nito, baka daw pwede maglagay para makita nila kung ano ba yung nangyari sa ano. Mas madami ba nanalo? Yan. And then, kung may nag-repeat, no? Ng pairing counts. Yan. And then, yan. Magkakalaban. Sa meses lang naman. May iba dito mga dalawa. Since wala ka naman repeat, so, yung ano niya, hatian naman is 1:1:1:1 pa rin. So, ano lang naman yun. For checking lang naman yan kung sakaling meron magreklamo, naging magkalaban kami ulit. Oh, hindi pwede. Meron kami listahan. Okay. So, ganun lang naman. And then, audit logs. Ayan, nakaano na siya. So, ilalog natin yan. Just in case lang naman na may mga kailangan i-check. Halimbawa, ang dalas yung mag-swap pa. Parang ganun. So, meron kang, dalawang beses na ako nag-swap for the game. Okay? Or, meron kasing iba parang sinasabi is, sinaswap niya kasi si ganito, advantage na magkalaban sila ni ganyan. So, ito yung pang-check, no? For that, yung kasi kailangan nga ng tool na yun. Okay? And the alphabetical standing is here. Yan, yung sabihin, alphabetically arranged siya. Then, you can actually print for the final report. Yan. So, maglalagay tayo ng, ng Excel. Or ng, ng CSV para pwede nyo siyang gusto nyo i-research or whatever. So, yan siya. Okay. Ayan. So, punta na tayo dito sa games. Check natin kung ano nangyari. Click on this one. Ayan. So, makikita natin na ito na yung mga game na ginawa natin. So if you would like to go there, ito natin that when the game is ended, okay, I'll put another video for the display background and the sponsor banner. No, pero ito na siya. So rankings, okay, can explore on this. Completed na yung mga pods. So pag nagpunta kayo dito, you'll be rerouted to the final report. Yan, so ito na siya. Yan, okay. So you can reopen the game if you would like to. Kunyari, oy, isa pang round daw, naghahamon pa sila, gusto pa lang ng isang round. You can do that, reopen the game, and then create another round for this game. No, if you would like to. Or if you would like to create another game a different game at all, please do so. Okay, so, medyo mahaba na yung video na to. Mabore na kayo. This is already around 1 hour na pala ako nag-talk dito. I'll be creating a different na lang for the drop, yung mga nagda-drop ng games, tsaka yung mga nag-walk-in, ng mga additional na mga players, kunyari na late, no? So, paano gagawin doon or whatever. Yung mga ganon, upload background, natin siya sa different, Pero ito yung essentials lang naman na kailangan ninyo matutunan. Okay. Ninoctro lang natin siya para lang, mas maano. So, I hope na magamit natin to o maraming gumamit, no? Please provide your feedback, no? If you would like to, again, this is a local game, siya, locally hosted siya, hindi siya over the internet, so, all data will be stored within the device lang, piniconsider siya, okay? So, yung ibang features will be creating a different video for that, or we will be making another set ng video na medyo mas okay yung description kasi medyo to, initial pa lang naman to. Okay, so hope to see you soon. Again, sabi nga ng iba, Commander is a social game, no? It's a social game. So maraming salamat sa pagtangkilik, no? And I hope to play with you soon. Sana magkita tayo sa isang tournament. Okay? So, set here. Right, bye-bye!